Nothing, and we really mean nothing, ruins a fishing trip like a rod that feels flimsy. We're having none of that today, and we're going for that perfect balance of strength with sensitivity and top-level durability, guys. We're diving into the best fishing rods on the market, everyone. But before we do, make sure to follow our links. These will take you to the latest discount for every product we talk about. Let's get going. Number 5. Uglystick GX2. Fantastic value. Picture this. You want a fishing setup that's affordable but doesn't feel cheap. Something easy to carry, simple to use, and strong enough to handle real catches. Built from a fiberglass graphite mix, it holds up under pressure without becoming a burden. Many rods with similar durability feel heavy in hand, but this one stays light enough for all-day use. We have to say that the clear tip design is a standout feature. Highly regarded for its responsiveness, it detects even the slightest nibble. Some rods trade strength for sensitivity, but this tip manages everything from small bites to hard pullers. It's a practical choice for anglers that target a variety of fish without constant gear switches. Another highlight is the Ugly Tough guides made from stainless steel. These are constructed to resist damage and avoid the common problem of inserts popping out. Corrosion won't be an issue, even for anglers venturing into saltwater. Standard rods in this price range often use ceramic guides that damage more easily, but the GX2 skips those headaches. Comfort is another area where this rod stands out. The grip, made from EVA material, provides a secure hold that doesn't slip, even when wet. Other rods can use handles that feel cheap or begin to degrade quickly, but this one keeps its shape and usability over time. Whether you're casting light lures for trout or handling a feisty bass, the grip stays reliable. Rated for lines between 6 and 15 pounds and built for medium power, the GX2 handles most fishing situations with ease. Its design allows versatility, which caters to everyone. Here's the bottom line. If value for money matters, the GX2 delivers. For the listed price, you just can't beat this one. Number 4. Cast King Para G2. Exceptional durability. We now have to talk about the Cast King Para G2, today's king of durability. Constructed from Toray 24-ton carbon matrix cast flex technology, it offers a level of strength that makes it tough to beat. This material gives the rod the ability to handle heavy stress without snapping, while still staying lightweight enough to use all day. Many rods in the same category rely on weaker composites, but the Para G2 delivers a level of toughness that feels closer to high-end gear. Another standout feature is the Fuji O-ring line guides. These reduce friction and protect your fishing line during cast after cast. Some rods at this price point cut corners with lower quality components, which can lead to frayed lines or constant replacements. With the Para G2, those headaches are kept to a minimum, making it feel like a premium choice without the premium price tag. The two-piece design includes a hybrid spigot joint that spreads power smoothly across the rod. This feature mimics the performance of a one-piece rod while giving the convenience of easy storage and portability. This is a game-changer for anyone tired of rods where jointed sections tend to weaken or wobble over time. Durability doesn't mean sacrificing comfort. The high-density EVA handle resists wear, allowing for a secure grip even in wet conditions. Compared to cheaper foam handles, it's both more durable and much easier to fish with throughout a long day. The ergonomic graphite reel seat also locks the reel in place securely, preventing movement while reeling in larger catches. Its adaptability can't go unmentioned either. Available in various power levels from ultra-light to heavy, it suits anglers pursuing anything from nimble trout to large bass or steelhead. No matter the species or technique, this rod stands strong under pressure. We like this one a lot. Number 3. Uglystick Elite. Best for smaller fish. Fishing for smaller species like trout demands precision and the right balance of strength and sensitivity. This is where the Uglystick Elite proves its value. With upgraded features compared to standard models, like 35% more graphite than the GX2, it feels noticeably lighter while staying as tough as the Uglystick name promises. This added graphite boosts sensitivity, letting you feel every nibble and turn subtle bites into hooked fish. The rod's 6 to 14 pound line rating suits lightweight setups, which are often necessary when chasing smaller fish. It handles lures in the 1/4 to 5/8 ounce range effortlessly, making casting smooth and accurate. Unlike many other rods in the same price range, the Elite doesn't feel like a noodle under pressure. Its fast action and medium power give it versatility, making it capable of handling the occasional surprise when a larger fish takes the hook. What sets this rod apart is the iconic Ugly Stik clear tip. This feature increases sensitivity at the tip without sacrificing strength. For anglers, this means noticing a trout's gentle nudge or a cautious panfish testing your bait becomes much easier. Competing rods with less advanced tips often miss these subtle interactions, giving the Elite a clear advantage. Built to last, the Uglystick Elite uses a blend of graphite and fiberglass. This combination creates a rod that stays lightweight while holding up under tough use. Stainless steel guides add to its durability. These guides don't include traditional inserts, which often pop out after heavy action, so they remain reliable cast after cast. Comfort plays a crucial role during long hours of fishing, and this rod doesn't disappoint. The cork handle feels soft and secure in hand, even in wet conditions. It provides enough grip to stay firmly in control without any unnecessary weight. Good stuff! A thumbs up from here. Number 2. Shimano Teramar NE. Premium choice. When quality and precision are your top priorities, the Shimano Terramar NE stands out as a true premium fishing rod. Every detail reflects its high-end design, built specifically for demanding northeast inshore and nearshore fishing. The TC4 rod technology used in its construction is a standout feature. It combines 2 layers of advanced carbon with a layer of fiberglass. That way, the rod delivers impressive strength without any unnecessary weight. The result is a rod that feels light in your hand but can handle aggressive strikes and challenging fights. Compared to standard graphite rods, this hybrid design offers more resilience under pressure. The guide train on this rod features C-guide components. These guides reduce friction, which allow your line to flow smoothly, even during repeated casts. This not only improves performance, but also protects your line from wear and tear over time. Many rods in this range might compromise by using basic or inferior materials, but Shimano maintains its reputation for excellence by choosing components that add both value and durability. A premium feel extends to the Fuji reel seats. These high-quality reel seats keep your reel firmly in place throughout intense fishing sessions. A loose reel can ruin an experience, but this rod eliminates that concern. Shimano goes even further by refining the EVA grips, giving them an ergonomic design that stays comfortable in your hands. These grips resist wear and provide excellent control, even in wet conditions. Many conventional rods use cheaper foam alternatives that lack the same durability and comfort. What makes this rod stand out is how well it adapts to a variety of techniques. Whether targeting striped bass or battling bluefish, the Terramar NE performs with a level of finesse you only find in top-tier equipment. Its power and responsiveness give anglers a real advantage, making it feel like an extension of their own skill. If you can treat yourself to this beast, we say go for it. Number 1. SQA Triumph Travel. Best overall. And now the time has come for all you lovely people to meet the SQA Triumph Travel Rod, the winner for today. Designed with premium SC2 carbon fiber, it delivers impressive strength and sensitivity while staying lightweight. This kind of construction is rare in rods that can handle light catches and larger, stronger fish equally well. Many rods lean too much toward one end of the spectrum, but the Triumph balances both with ease. Durability becomes clear in the aluminum oxide guides paired with stainless steel frames. These features prevent wear and allow the fishing line to glide smoothly. Poorly designed guides sometimes lead to frustrating snags or line damage, but this rod handles mono and braided lines with consistent reliability. That added durability stands out, especially for those who put their gear through rigorous conditions. Comfort makes a noticeable difference in any rod, and the cork handle on the Triumph takes the experience up a notch. Lightweight, ergonomic, it just feels secure. This model also minimizes hand fatigue over extended use, and we really like it. Cheaper rods often use basic foam grips that wear down quickly or slip when wet. The Triumph's attention to this detail ensures a better fishing experience, whether you're relaxing by the water or actively reeling in a tough catch. Portability plays a big role in the appeal of this rod. Built to break into 4 sections, it stores compactly in a travel case that fits neatly inside luggage or backpacks. Unlike many travel rods that feel awkward or fragile when assembled, the Triumph connects seamlessly. It provides a sturdy, reliable feel wherever used. The rod's range of power makes it incredibly adaptable too. You use lighter line weights for panfish. You can opt for heavier setups for large targets. It just consistently performs. The design caters to all skill levels because it covers a variety of fishing styles. This range puts it way ahead of rods narrowly built for specific tasks. You wanted the best, you got it. That would be all for today, guys. We hope this helped. And if it did, how about liking the video and subscribing to the channel? Have a good one and keep it valid.